It's GCSE Results Day 2025. I just wanted to say a massive well done to absolutely everyone who got their results today. I really hope your results went well. I really hope you got the results you wanted. Now, I just want to say, everyone that has enjoyed my content this exam season, or to everyone I've helped, I just have one ask of you, and that's that you join my email list in the description. Just put in your email and you'll get weekly emails from me. It's completely free, but I just really want more people on my email list so I can share them weekly revision tips and stuff. But please let me know how you did for your results. If you did well, if you didn't do well, I'm happy to help anyone and everyone. I'm going to be here all day just helping everyone I possibly can. So email me if you don't want to share your results. If you want to share your results, please put them in the comments. And yeah, they're over now, okay? Your exams are over, and whatever you got, there's a path through. If you got, top grades that you wanted, I'm so happy for you. I know that can feel amazing. Equally, if you're disappointed with your results, I also know how that can feel, and I understand that. But just take a step back. You've done them, okay? And that's still an incredible achievement. So I'm really happy for everyone. And one other thing I want to say as well, just to talk about it, I won't talk about it too much, but if you got disappointing results and you're like, oh, I wish I worked harder, I wish I did more, keep that feeling in your mind and use that for A-level motivation, okay? A-levels are more important, we know that. And what I say to students, which I think is really true, is the worst thing that can come out of disappointing GCSE results is you knock your confidence, you think you're not academic, and then you don't put enough effort into A-levels. Whatever you got in your GCSEs, you can get A stars in A-levels. Use it as motivation. When I asked students, what they wish, what's a message they'd give to their year 11 selves, they said start earlier. So let's take that into A-levels and transfer your disappointment into your future path, okay? But like I said, email me, message me. I'm going to help as many people as I possibly can. Well done, everyone.